Well, my oral health started going down the beginning in 1983. I was in a very, very bad car accident, where my face went out the back windshield, which started all the teeth loosening. So that's when I had to start with bridges and crowns. Then over the years, I was losing back teeth, going to dentists that didn't really know their job. So over the years, 3 major times, I had all crowns put in that they call them falling crowns. I was losing them.
Got to see Mary Lou, and when I initially saw her, she's having a failed dentition. You could tell that she spent a lot of time in the dental office, past trauma. She had several attempts by others to try to remedy her situation by trying to fix her teeth.
I was very nervous, and I had my guard up. So when he first started talking to me, I'm like, is he really telling the truth? But as we got into the conversation, I think that he's very, very knowledgeable. And when I looked around the equipment and the place itself, it's very, it's up to par.
We ended up placing implants on her to replace many of her back teeth on the bottom, so that when she bit down, she wasn't just biting on her front teeth. We were also able to keep 6 or 7 of her lower front teeth, and we were able to fix those. We restored them so that we placed some nice porcelain crowns on them for her, placed implant crowns on her lower back teeth, and entire upper arch are all implant crowns.
I don't want to sound silly, but it's like being born again. Like it's a whole new you. You look in the mirror and you see something different, something that you love. He's given that back to me. He's given me a gift, not only of health and of beauty, but a sense of pride. And there's no words. And how do you thank somebody for this? Monetary, anybody can give you money. There's really no words for the education he has, his knowledge, the way he treats you. It's a package. I don't know what the words are to thank him, but I do thank him, but that seems very little to what I feel.